Si Kuya Istong. Papa na ni Joan. The operator of that tractor is the father of Batiok's wife. So he's just our neighborhood here. Red, move aside me. This is the second time they are doing that, because the first time when they came here, it was raining, so the soil is very wet. So they said they'll come back here. So I think it's like 2 weeks and a few days ago already. And I've know you seen Brian's video. Diri ra mo be, kaya to ko naugubos gamay. Tara ha. Stay there ha. Kaya si mama lang ara dito. I'll ask Red and Baden to just stay there in the shade because it's very hot. Dihara Red ha. So I don't know what is the plan of our boss here. Why he wants this to plow? Maybe he's planning to plant something. Oh, it's getting near me. So, and the pay of this is per hour. It's 1,000 per hour. Like it's $30 something per hour. So, but today, some people also who can't afford to pay a tractor is they have, we call the very hardworking Carabao. So, they manually plow the soil, the fields even. And it's still worth it. Tingnan si Brian.
Oh.
Adiing no. Tata is trying to say here. What did Brian said, Tay?
Pamais man.
Pamais. So, you have to break this, what you call this? This like the barrier there, that one, that portion. Tata is trying to say, the tractor needs to go straight up there because the plan of our boss is to plant corn here, or sweet corn. So there will be a lot of corn in here. Hi! Diha ra kay init, stay there. Mabalik ra si mama diha. Stay there in the shade. Landong be. So Tata is trying to explain that just straight. Wow, so dagan na itag mais dire ron. Asay dako ngayon tatay katong lobihan dito o kani dire. Katong dito ba katong gitamnan pud og mais. Ang kalubihan god. Dako ni no? Ha? Dako ni oy. Oh. There's also a place near here. It's not a rice field there. What they plant is coconut.
Okay.
But down of the coconut is the corn. Time move aside. So I've been here in the sun like how many minutes already, so I'll just cut this here. Ito init kayo. Ito kaya na si red. Dili lagi ko. And I'll stay in the shade. And there is my red just watching. A pretty grass. Wildflower. Saan naman nanay? Oh, wait. Wait, sasakay ka? So guys, bye-bye everyone. Daghang salamat sa pagtanaw and see you on our next video. Please like, share, comment, and if you're not a subscriber yet, please subscribe and share my channel to your friends. Bye-bye!